6 free AI tools that quietly replace subscriptions I was actually paying for. Here's what each one cancels and where it still falls short. The last one saved me the most money. 1. Perplexity replaces the paid research tool. It answers with sources, so you stop paying just to find reliable information. The catch? The heaviest deep research runs are capped per day on free. 2. Claude replaces the writing subscription. Drafting, editing, thinking out loud. The free version already handles most of it. The catch? Long sessions eventually hit a temporary limit. 3. CapCut replaces the video editor subscription. Captions, cuts, and templates without a monthly bill. The catch? Some premium effects and assets still ask you to upgrade. 4. Ideogram replaces the stock image in Design Pro plan. Generate a thumbnail or a poster with the words baked in. The catch? Very specific brand layouts still need a human touch. 5. Gamma replaces the slide deck tool. Type your outline, and it builds a presentation that already looks designed. The catch? Free decks carry a small Gamma badge until you upgrade. 6. NotebookLM replaces the Study and Notes app. Feed it your files and it becomes a tutor that only cites your sources. The catch? It won't pull in anything you didn't upload. 6 subscriptions replaced. The full list with links is below. Subscribe if you'd rather keep your money.